Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. In today's topic, I'd like to talk about how to fix limp mode. Basically, limp mode is a safety feature used to protect the engine and transmission from possible damages that can be caused by pretty much anything. Basically, when your vehicle is stuck in limp mode, the first thing you're going to notice is that check engine light turning on, and you're going to notice that you're going to get some sort of codes when using a scan tool to looking for codes. Afterward, you're going to notice your vehicle is going to be stuck in second gear, which you can't go faster than 35 miles per hour. Afterward, you're going to notice there's going to be some sort of limited power. For example, you cannot rev your engine more than, let's just say, 3,000 RPM. So basically, these are the classic sign of limp mode. One of the first common problems that I noticed that triggered limp mode is going to be some sort of throttle body issue. So basically, if you have a problem with your throttle body, such as bad TPS or wires or connection, it's definitely going to trigger limp mode. The next common problem is going to be transmission. Let's just say you have transmission issue, such as it's either mechanical or you have some sort of sensor issue. That's going to trigger your vehicle into limp mode. Basically, that's going to protect your transmission from further damage. So make sure you get that checked out mechanically and make sure you check all the sensors for issues. The next common problem I noticed is going to be timing. So basically, let's just say your timing is off. Let's just say it jumped by a tooth or a few teeth. That is going to automatically going to trigger that into limp mode. The next common problem is going to be overheating or some sort of engine damage. Let's just say your engine is already knocking already. Let's just say it has bad engine bearings or bad rod bearings. That's going to trigger the engine into limp mode. And also, let's just say you have a blown head gasket that can also trigger the engine into limp mode. So make sure you get those checked out. The next common problem is going to be sensor. So basically, any sensor that's mounted on the engine, such as the crankshaft sensor, camshaft sensor, mass airflow sensor, map sensor, you have bad TPS, oil pressure sensor, and so on. All of that is going to trigger limp mode. Again, limp mode is used to protect your engine and transmission. Let's just say if you have issue with your oil and fluids, let's just say it's too low or you don't have any in there at all, it's going to trigger limp mode. So basically, you want to make sure your engine oil is topped off. You want to make sure your transmission fluid is topped off. Make sure you have adequate coolant in the cooling system, because if one of those fall extremely low, it can possibly trigger limp mode. The next common problem that is often overlooked is going to be wires and connection. So basically, you want to make sure that if any wires are damaged or any connection are loose, you want to make sure you get that checked out. So basically, that's going to require visual inspection of the whole entire engine bay, and you want to make sure that you check all the wires that's going through the firewall and every single wire that's going through wherever it's flowing through around the engine. You want to get that checked out. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.